And I'm back! So as you can see, this is a completely different space, and that's because I moved into a new apartment, and that means a new kitchen! This is actually my first time having my own kitchen, and so I can decorate it and plan it and organize it just the way I want. So I thought it would be interesting to take you guys on this little project that I embarked on, which is creating an organized pantry. Anyway, for those who are new here, I'm Karen, a pastry chef based in Jakarta, and I love to bake and get into the technical side of baking and pastry and generally have fun in the kitchen. My game plan in this project was to just fill up the whole space with storage jars that fit exactly into the space. Then I will slowly fill it up. Because I realized that I used to just buy 1 or 2 boxes, and then slowly more boxes accumulated, but they are of different kinds and it just does not look good. So of course everyone has a different kitchen and space and needs, but I hope that this video would give you some inspiration and ideas to recreate your own. Alright, let's start. You know those home decor videos or like Pinterest images of really pretty pantries and fully labeled and just like nice organization boxes and all that? I really wanted those, and obviously living in an apartment, space is not a luxury, and I just had to make full use of whatever space I have. So it was quite difficult to find any area to create such a nice display. But I found this little nook where it was a bit awkward. I didn't know how to put anything, and everything I put in there just looked messy. Then an idea clicked. I can make this into a pantry. The first thing I did was clear out everything in the cupboard and started from a blank canvas. So it started out like this. It was a big mess and unorganized. So I cleared it all out and laid some plastic sheets to protect the cupboard's surface. Next, I scoured the internet looking for containers, jars, bottles that I like and fits the budget and fits the cupboard, which was quite a feat. Anyway, all of those are linked all down below. Well, anything that I bought in this whole project, I have linked it down below. So the plan is to have all the containers match from day one and not have any other additional containers in future. Next, cleaning it up, writing the labels. I'm using this really nice black sticker that does not leave a mark, so the labels can always be replaced anytime. And finally, we fill it all out. I do have a plan going on as to what I want to fill in which containers, so keep watching to find out after this is all done. So buying all these containers definitely was not the cheapest thing, so I had to really hunt and find like very affordable ones, because there were really pretty ones in the market, but it was just way too expensive. I made some custom acrylic racks so I could fit more bottles and the spice containers in the shelves. As you can see, it was pretty packed, and honestly I was not too happy with the results. This is also another rack I made so then I could reach for the containers at the back easily. And that's it! So starting from the bottom is the bulk ingredients that I use the most, and then those are my baking ingredients that I normally use. And coming up to almost our eye level is where I put the daily staples like coffee, rice, noodles, etc. And still at eye level is the oil, sauces, spices. Right above that is the snack section where I have cookies and some vitamins. And finally, I have the things that I don't use as often right on top. I make sure that the things I use often are at eye level so it's more convenient for me. And I mentioned just now that I did not like how the spices look, so I went ahead and ordered a new rack and found a new section to add the spices. And it turned out great because I can add more spices, and the accessibility is also way easier this way. So it has been almost 2 months that I've moved in, and this is how my pantry looks like now. It is definitely different. So some ingredients have been moved around, some I managed to finish using them. I don't know why my vitamins are taking so long though. So yeah, definitely have different cookies. And at the back are those that I really want to use up ASAP. The oil bottles are now staged like this for easier access. And our daily staples have definitely changed a bit. And the bottom are ingredients I mainly use for baking. I added spoons to each container so it's way easier to get access to them too. Now heading over to the spice rack. Oh, so beautiful. And there are mini spoons inside as well. Super happy how it all turned out. I am so glad I started this little project because this definitely made me want to cook and bake more, and it even made me finish a lot of ingredients that was just sitting at the back corner of the cupboards usually. I hope this video inspires you and motivates you to go out and recreate your own pantry. And if you do, tag me on Instagram at karens.c and I can get excited for your pantry too. If you have any questions or need any help with ideas or whatnot, you can just drop me a comment or drop me a message on Instagram and I'll be more than happy to help. And I can't wait to be making more videos for you guys here. So if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button and notification bell. Give it a good like. And I'll see you in the next one.